This is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be inspired by this sketch designed by Susanna Lee, and it is part of the 30 days of sketches put on by Chrissy's Beautiful Life. And it is round 10, the best of the sketches. So these are all the favorites that people have worked on in past rounds, and this is only my second round, so these are kind of new to me. But I like this one. This one's going to be very easy to use. And I'm going to use a couple pictures of my brother and sister-in-law with their animals. They did this little photo op, funny faces, before they took a trip across seas and sent them to us as a see you all later kind of thing. And so I brought out a bunch of my animal things. I did these for a swap. And okay, I am ready to put this together. I picked this little, I like your catitude, think positive, I woof you, and this little cat. It's very thick. I might peel some of it apart. I'm not sure what it's made of, but it's way too thick for a scrapbook page. Looks like it has some kind of a foam on it. I don't know, but we'll get that peeled down a little bit. I'll use a scraper. And I mounted my photos on the white and then the Capri from Close to My Heart. And how was I going to do that? I was going to do it like this. I'm going to do it kind of like a staggered style. And then put him up here. And the little kitty is going to go down here with this kitty. And this puppy dog, I think this kitty was going to go with them, and this doggy over here. So, and that's my title. And I'll probably have a couple of journaling strips over here. So let's get this put together. I brought out my Cricut craft knife and I just scraped off a bunch that was on the back, and it's a little raised in a couple places and not in others, so I'll just put some foam adhesive there to make them even out a little bit. I know I scrape it off and then I add foam, but it's not anywhere near as dimensional as it was. It was quite hefty. It wasn't heavy, but it was thick. So we're going to put this kitty down here. All right. Now I also found these paw print stickers, and I thought I'd try and use some of these up. These have got to be old too. And they're clear stickers, so hopefully they won't show. So we'll put a couple of them here and there around the page. They just add a little interest. They're really cute. Okay, so now I have a couple of stickers on here I wanted to do, which was snuggle, because that's what they're doing. Let's see where we're going to put it. Right here. Yeah, I don't want it coming out of the dog's butt, right? So that would be good. And give him a little shelf to go on. All right, so now I just need to add my journaling and this will be done. So thank you for joining me. This was a quick one today. And make sure you check out in the video description everyone else who is playing along with this sketch today for their interpretation of it. And thank you to Christy for putting this together and to Susanna Lee for another great sketch. Have a great day.